In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to find TradingView through Google, open your watch list, add the Euro versus United States dollar currency pair, and load its chart quickly and cleanly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and press Enter. In the results, select the official TradingView website. This ensures you're on the correct platform with the latest charting tools and a reliable watch list. Once TradingView loads, look for the watch list area. On desktop, it typically appears on the right side of the screen. Click the watch list to make sure it's open and active. Your watch list is where you keep the symbols you care about, so it's the central place to manage instruments. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the side panel or switching to the main chart view. The watch list will be more obvious there. Inside the watch list, click the plus icon. The plus is used to add a new symbol. This opens a quick search where you can find instruments by name or ticker. TradingView supports many markets, so the plus keeps the process consistent no matter what you're adding. In the search results, click Euro versus United States dollar. This is the standard forex pair commonly shown as EURUSD. Choosing it from the results adds it to your watch list. If multiple versions appear, the plain forex listing is typically what you want for broad market pricing. Next, click the X. This closes the symbol search or panel you just used, giving you a clean view of your watch list and workspace. Closing this panel doesn't remove the symbol you added, it simply clears the overlay so you can proceed without distractions. Now, in your watch list, click EURUSD. This opens the full chart for the Euro versus United States dollar. You'll see current pricing, historical movement, and all the usual TradingView tools ready to use. From here, you can change time frames, apply indicators, or switch chart types as needed. If you're on a free plan, you still get a robust view. Just remember that saving layouts and syncing watch lists across devices may require signing in. That's all there is to it. Search for TradingView on Google, open your watch list, use the plus to add Euro versus United States dollar, close the search with the X, and select EURUSD to view the chart. Follow these same actions to build out a complete watch list for other symbols, keeping your market view organized and fast to navigate.